In this video, I'm going to thread the bobbin case. I'd like to point out a position on the bobbin case before we get started. Right here there is a diagonal cut in the bobbin case that goes between the case and the spring down here, and then there is more of a straight cut here. And what I'm going to do is insert the bobbin and pull the thread back through this diagonal till it seats roughly around that straight cut in the case side there. To get started, we want the thread to come off the bobbin on the left side, bottom to top on the left side. And I'm going to insert it in the case and then pull the thread back through that diagonal right there, right about there. And I'm going to hold on to the bobbin and pull that thread right to about there. Once I get it down to about there, I feel a little click or a seat, and then I just pulled it up like that, and there's a little bit of a notch there, and that's where that thread lies. And I believe that is a correctly threaded 201K bobbin case.